Hey, welcome everybody, D-Lab Electronics. We got another big heavy box in the other day from UPS. This one weighs about 51 pounds. The packaging looks okay. I don't hear anything rattling. Let's pop this open and see what we got inside. What do you think it is? So this is an eBay purchase. Another fellow bought this and sent it to me to have it repaired, and then I get the pleasure of shipping it to him. So far the packing looks pretty decent. I see a lot of large bubble wrap inside, so I'm sure that this item made the trip just fine. Let me get it outside, we'll pull it out. Alright, I always pull these out on their side. You never want to pull them out on the front panel because you damage it. But usually you're pretty safe to grab these guys on their side and pull them out. And here it comes. Alright, so there's the top and the other side. Got any ideas what it is? So as I stated, they used a lot of large bubble wrap, which I'm really happy to see. So I give you a little hint of what's in there. So what do you think of that? Here we go. We got ourselves a Johnson Ranger 1. So far I don't see any damage. Let's get the other side of this bubble wrap off. We'll pop it open and take a look. Well, there she is, Johnson Ranger. Looks to be in pretty decent condition. VFO turns. Looks pretty good. I see some crystals still installed. There should have been a crystal cover here. Around the back. RF connector is damaged. There should be a shorting plug here. I'll check the box, but I'm sure it's probably not there. So for the heck of it, let's pop the back shell and look inside. I got the rear screws out. Usually you can just kind of push on the chassis. You're seeing this as I see it, okay? Nothing scripted here. She looks a little bit grubby inside, but the good thing is it is a factory unit. I see the pop rivets. So let me get her out and I'll give you a closer look. So there was no bubble wrap inside of this Ranger when it was shipped. Usually the 5R4 rectifier will come out and become a torpedo inside of the Ranger, but this one made the trip and it came all the way from Washington, so she got some time on the road. She's pretty dirty, but that's not a big issue. What the big issue would be is what awaits us underneath. Here's the bottom side of the Ranger. It actually looks pretty clean. Still has all the original filter caps. Audio section has not been rebuilt. So first thing to do is recap this guy. But I really think that this is very restorable. Alright, I'm going to give her a little bump with my Variac, just make sure that it's pulling current. And it is. So the power transformer is alive. Good deal. So a good report on the Ranger. Made the trip in one piece. It powers up. It looks very restorable. So I'm going to have to get with the owner, let him know the good news, and I'll get back with you once I start working on it.